Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.3 on Windows 11. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. First we will download, then we will install. After that we will perform the configuration. So first go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See, PostgreSQL 17.3 is released and it is the stable version. Click on download. Now we have to select the operating system. So click on Windows, then click on download installer. See here the versions, the latest stable version is 17.3. See under Windows x86 64, click on this download button. Wait a moment, download will be started. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is 337 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want to change, click on this browse button and change the location. I'm okay with the default one, so click on next. Now we have to select the components. So I want to install all these components. See, command line clients, which contains like pgbench, pgdump and pgrestore and other components. Stack builder, which contains like drivers, tools, applications. Okay. pgAdmin, it is GUI tool for the PostgreSQL server. PostgreSQL server is the main database server. So I want to install all these. So select all and click on next. See, this will be the data directory. Again, if you want to change, you have to click on this browse button and change. Click on next. Now we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. Remember this password which is required to connect to PostgreSQL server. Then click on next, and this is the default port for the PostgreSQL server. If you want to give some other, you can change here. Otherwise, click on next. Local settings, I am going with the defaults. This is the installation summary. Still, if you want to modify these settings, you can click on back and you can edit. I am okay with all the settings. Then click on next. Ready to install, so click on next. See, installation has been started. See, PostgreSQL installation completed, and now it is asking if you want to configure stack builder. We have to select the checkbox. But even if we click on finish, then also we will be able to configure stack builder. If you go to start, all applications, you go to PostgreSQL folder. See here we have the PostgreSQL 17, and see here we have the application stack builder. Okay, so unselect it and click on finish. So we have successfully installed PostgreSQL. We can remove this file. Okay, now again go to start, all applications, search for PSQL or go to PostgreSQL folder, then open SQL shell, that is PSQL shell. See, server name is localhost because I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC. Hit enter. Database, default database is Postgres, port number same, username also Postgres. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. But this is not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.3 on Windows operating systems. Now verify the list of the databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. / is the command. See, these are the default databases comes with PostgreSQL installation. To create database, run the command create database. Now verify again /. See, new database is created and this is the owner name and these are the settings. And here we have granted any privileges. Okay. Now switch to this database and create a table. /c or connect is the command or meta command used to connect to database. Then provide the database name. Verify the current database. Select current underscore database. See, we are in the bank database. Now verify list of tables. You don't have any relations. So create a table. Create table. Now verify again. See here, we have a table and this is the owner name. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. Now verify the list of the users. \du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres. Now let us create a user. Now connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. Now open PSQL shell again. PSQL. Hit enter. Server name is localhost, database name same, port same, username is James. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected with the user James. Now switch to bank database. See, we have successfully changed the database from the current database to bank. Now verify the data. It won't give output because we have just created user here, but we haven't granted any privileges. So to work on any database objects, we must have granted the privileges. To exit, we have to use the command \q and hit enter. Hit enter. Okay, this is until now we have connected PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL by using pgAdmin or dbwork. These are the most popular GUI tools. Okay, so you can search my YouTube channel for how to install dbwork on Windows operating systems. And for pgAdmin, we have already installed as part of the PostgreSQL server installation. Go to here. See here we have the pgAdmin. Click on it. Wait a moment, it is loading. Now click on servers. Right click, register and server. Then provide the name. Name can be anything. pg17.3. Then go to connection. Here we have to give the host name or address. Host name is localhost, or address means IP address or full address of the machine. Or you can give the localhost host name and port number 5432 maintenance database. See here we have. You can give either bank or Postgres. Okay, so I'm going with Postgres. Username also Postgres. You can give any one of these users. Okay, then provide the password for this user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected, expanded. See here we have these databases, and in users or logins we have the James user. If you want to run queries, right click on it, then select the query tool. If you want to open PSQL shell here, you can click on PSQL tool. Okay, now we can run the queries like select star from customer, select all, click on execute. Okay, if you go here, you want to create a database, right click and select create and database, or logins, right click create login or group rows. The last option that I am going to show you is how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL on Windows operating systems. Windows run, then type services.msc, then press P. See here we have the PostgreSQL x6417 and its status is running. If you want to stop, right click on stop, or select the service here and click on stop, or click on the stop button. All three options are same. If you want to restart, right click restart, or restart link or restart button. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL 17.3 on Windows operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.